Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fitia app. We go to settings. Here in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Fitia app and we click. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.